And now it's time to talk about the ingredients. So on the far left corner in the bottom row we have some masala. Now we have dried chili, we have cardamom, cinnamon, and black pepper. Moving on to the right, we have our marinated meat. Now this has been marinated for about 2 hours. It is about 500 grams of meat. Now this has been marinated with 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of curd, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, and another tablespoon of oil. And on its right, we have about 1 onion chopped up into rings. And to its right, we have 1 to 2 chilies chopped up. Moving on to the middle row, on the left-hand side, we have 100 grams of whipped curd. Then we have 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Okay, so we have about 2 medium-sized onions which have been made into a paste in a mixer. And on its right, we have a paste which is essentially a mixture of 1 tablespoon of poppy seed and about 10 to 15 cashew nuts. Now on the top row we have oil, we have ghee, we have garam masala, we have pepper powder, salt, and sugar to taste. Okay guys, so if you made it to the end of this video, congratulations. Not really, thank you for watching, and I appreciate all of the watch hours that you give me. It really helps my channel grow. And if you really loved this video, you can hit the like button, you can subscribe if you want to, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace!